Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials and clearing a safe play area. This saves time and prevents interruptions. Once you have the headset, controllers, cables, and a compatible PC or console, plug power in and charge controllers to at least 50%. Make sure you create the headset manufacturer account and install the companion app on your phone or PC because it handles pairing and firmware. Once done, connect the headset to power and the system so the next steps can proceed without delays. Now you install and run the headset software and companion app. This is where pairing and essential drivers appear. Pair controllers using Bluetooth or USB per on-screen instructions, and then allow the software to download and install firmware updates because firmware fixes tracking and connectivity issues. Make sure to update your PC graphics drivers if applicable. Once updates finish, restart the headset and host system. Doing so ensures the new firmware and drivers initialize correctly before you set up tracking and boundaries. Finish by calibrating the headset and controllers so tracking is precise and comfortable. Adjust interpupillary distance and run the in-app tutorial to confirm inputs. Once done, define your guardian or play area boundaries and clear 1 to 2 meters of space to prevent collisions. Tweak performance settings like super sampling or refresh rate to balance visuals and smoothness. If something goes wrong, a key troubleshooting step is to check connections and reinstall the headset firmware or drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.